Well, it's now a week into our trip and we've been to Carnarvon Gorge and now we're heading up towards Longreach and Winton. And we had the night stop over here at Springshaw. Springshaw's got an awesome free camp. The girls are settling in. Nova's doing her dots. Harry is doing creations. And we're off.
Bye!
Bye, Chuck. Last stop at Civilization for a while, so we're going to go get some crafty things for the kids and stock up on supplies here at Emerald. Going to fill up with fuel, see what damage is. It's one of our first fuel stops. Looks like it's a container full of fuel. We're now a week into our trip and we still have no idea what we're doing. We're heading up through central Queensland up towards the Gulf of Carpentaria. On the way, we're going to stop at Longreach and Winton and check out some dinosaur footprints.
They don't move anymore.
No.
Why?
They don't move anymore?
Why?
Because they are in the museum.
Why can't?
Yeah.
Why can't they fly in the museum?
Who knew that in the Qantas Museum there would be a contemporary art exhibition?
Dad, what's through there?
What? That's in
Pumpkins!
Pumpkins?
Look! No, look in there.
Polka dot pumpkins.
Hehehe
brief look through the Qantas Founders Museum, we went across the road to the Stockman's Hall of Fame, where there was a camp draft happening.
I feel like I'm wearing the wrong hat.
Then we were back on the road and kept on heading west through the cotton fields and big skies towards Winton.
Winton! Made it to outback Queensland, I think. Well, this should be interesting. Rained quite a bit overnight here at Winton, unbelievably, and everything has turned to mud. I can't even walk around without sinking in. And we're going to try and drive our 11-ton truck through the mud. To get out of here. Otherwise we might just be staying here for a few days.
Easy as, bro.
Our first taste of a corrugated road. Truck's handling pretty good. Might try letting the front tyres down a little bit. They're up at 100 psi. Might drop down to 90 or 80, see how that goes. How's it going in the back?
It's a bit bumpy. Hopefully my crockery isn't breaking.
Our wine glasses!
Ah!
If you're heading out to see the dinosaur footprints from Winton, it's about 30 k's of sealed road and 60 k's of dirt. Corrugations aren't too bad. to the dinosaur footprints. We're gonna go check them out. Yeah. Dinosaur footprints? Can you show us? Down here. There's one. Look at those big ones.
Dinosaur footprints, and they're chasing all the little dinosaurs.
Lots of little ones.
Over 3,300 footprints.
There's a dinosaur foot.
Because the big dinosaur wanted to eat all the little dinosaurs.
If you come out to the dinosaur stampede, make sure you do the short loop walk through the Spinifex grass to get a sense of the country.
I'm trying on my feet this time.
Okay, let's try landing on your feet. Wow, you did!
Already, I can jump 2 steps at a time!
Here we all are on the Sunset Hill. In the middle of Queensland somewhere.
On top of a mesa.
A mesa.
We pulled up stumps for the night at another free camp in the desert.
Oh!